Okay, good evening class. Today, class 2 of C programming. Today I am going to teach us about operators, scanf functions, and then and many other things. Typecasting, it could be very interesting. So now we can change our folder to C program. Type it in your terminal of VS Code. Okay, program 1. Oh, wait, cd dot dot. What this cd dot dot represents here means it will moves to the previous directory. So we come to our previous directory. Now let's again change our directory using the cd command, cd, and our directory name is C program. C program 1. Now our directory is changed. Here I am going to watch what are the files are existers here. A.out, file.c, and out. So today we are going to see a new topic, right? So let's create a new directory, mkdir. Operators will be scan. Okay, before seeing operators, first I want you guys to let you know what is scanf function. So just create a scanf.c file using touch command, touch. Now let's check whether the file is created or not. Yes, it's created. Okay, now let's go to the Explorer. Here you can see a file is created, scanf. So what is the skeleton code? Hashtag include less than stdio dot h greater than into main open bracket close bracket open curly braces. Now I want you guys to enter some numbers. Let's create some data types. Integer data type as num. Data type variables. Okay, sorry. So let's create a integer data type num variable. Created. Now for character data type, I am going to name the variable as ch. Next, after completing character data type, next I am going to go for float data type, and I am going to name it as fnum. So after completing each statement, semicolon is must. You need to understand it. Next line, I am going to create another data type double, and I am name it as dnum. Statement is completed. Now for user needs to know, right, what kind of data type he needs to enter in the terminal. So I am going to write you with the help of printf function enter a number. So user can able to easily enter the number. Now user needs to enter, right? How user can able to how we can able to get the input from the user? With the help of scanf function. Scanf open bracket close bracket open double quotation %d. Here this %d represents what here means format specifier. What kind of data type we are going to collect from the user. We need to mention it. So for the reason only we are using the format specifier. Okay, next, where we need to store. If you are going somewhere, just consider if you want to go someplace, Taj Mahal, Marina Beach, like this. First, what is the thing you need to know? Address. So for the purpose, we are going to use addressing operator, and we need to mention the variable name num. So what I am trying to say in this statement is, get the input from the user, and the user input must be integer data type, and where it needs to store it means in num variable. So this statement explains this. Okay, like this I am going to create for character data type. Enter char. Semicolon. With the help of scanf function, format specifier for character is %c. Where I need to store the character is and operator ch variable. So like this, printf, I am going to use enter float. Like this. For format specifier for float is percentage C, sorry, percentage F, percentage F. So what can we type? Addressing operator F num printf open bracket open double quotation enter a double with the help of scanf function can get the double value input value from the user. Format specifier for double data type is LF, comma, where I need to store is in dnum variable. So this is how we can able to get the inputs and store it in a input value from the user and store it in a variable. Okay, now we store the variable. Now we store the values in a variable, but we need to check, right, it's stored or not, right? So I need to print the values. Print f open bracket open double quotation. Here I can write %d percentage space percentage c percentage f percentage lf. Here we can able to write like this, but in scanf we don't. I am instructing you guys, don't write like this, it could cause any problem. So comma, so but you need to, after this comma, you need to map the correct variable name, %d, right? %d, what is the integer data type variable? Num. So first type num, comma, next character format specifier. So second this ch variable. Now third what is? Format specifier of float. So f num. Next what is the next format specifier is percentage %lf. So d num, complete the statement and complete the skeleton. Now we need to execute this to check my program is right or wrong. Press Ctrl L and use GCC command to compile this file. What is the file name is scanf.c. Here I just want to describe you or something. GCC compiler. What is the difference between compiler and interpreter? A compiler compiles this whole file at a time, but interpreter line by line execution. If any occurs in this line, 10th line, it will stop. It will not move to the next line. But if you see in compiler, not like this. It will move to the next lines. Check here. Write in something and compile again scanf.c. Look, in 10th line, 11th line, 14th line, 15th line, so many errors is existed. But it compiles, it not compile completely, but it tells where the places error is existed. But if you see in interpreter, not like this, not welcome. If any error occurs in this line, it will not move to the next line. So this is why C is faster than Python. Just again Control L. How now? Can check what are the files are created. To run the now our C programming file is converted it as a binary file. So how we can able to run this binary file in the terminal is ./a.out. So I am entering some number. Oh, okay. If you face something like means very simple. Don't get scared. Just press Ctrl L. Just go to this line. Use /n next line for clear use. /n. Now again compile this file. Compiled. Now run this file. Wait, just wait a second. I will do this thing. Wait. Can compiling. So here we facing the problem. Scanf. Let's type something. So everything is good, but the problem arises here, right? just wait a minute. I will clear it. Just wait a minute. Let's again compile this file, run this file. Okay, why this is not compiling? Just wait. Hey, nothing guys. You just need to leave some space only. If you leave this space, we can able to C program, sorry, C program 1. Now let's run gcc scanf.c slash a dot out. Now see, problem solved. Execute shift. Now just see guys, if you want to remove this unwanted 0, you just go for G. This format specifier we can able to use for look, it's just a warning. You can run the program, no problem. Okay. Just made some mistake. We need to change here, not there. Again, and this one, no warning will come. Run your binary file. Here, look, unwanted zeros were gone, removed. So this is also a kind of point format specifier. Press Ctrl L. Now we can go for operators. So for operators, create a separate directory and change directory, create a folder name, folder with the help of touch command. Now you see a folder and touch create. Okay, operators. You know what is operators? Operators are nothing but to perform operations for operands, and it also returns a value. So it performs operations for operands and it also returns a value. Okay, understand? Returns a value means if it is a additional operator, it returns the value. And this is the important thing. Okay, if the operands the operator operands must be same data type. Okay, must be same data type. If it is same data type only, it will execute. Okay, so and also it will return as a same data type value. In operators there are totally three types: unary operators, and then binary operators, and then trinary operators. Unary operators are and then so if you guys find difficulty, so okay, let's move this one, right? So, and this is a binary operator, sorry, unary operator, one operator, one operand. Unary operator. Binary operator example are A plus B, binary. Logical operators, relational operators. These operators can called as binary operators. I forget one thing. Question mark in less than and double. I think this operator is for trinary operators. Trinary for triple operand. If you are using triple operand, this operator can be used. Later we can discuss about this. Now we can discuss about the operators. For your reference, I am zooming. Now going to write a program to add two numbers. Printf, sorry, I forget the skeleton code. Stack include less than stdio dot h, then into main, bracket, close bracket, open curly braces, into num1 comma num2. So I am telling the user to enter two numbers. Okay, now I'm getting input from the user, percentage d, space, no problem in scanf, but here only you need to be careful. Okay, actually there are two ways to return the value of the additional. Here num1 plus num2. So I write the statement, but how I can able to display and return this value? Need to store, right? So where I need to store? So for the purpose, I am creating another variable named num. So this value going to store in this variable. Can you use this also? Another way also existed. I am later explain this. Printf open bracket. The sum is percentage d comma. You need to mention the variable name, and you can write return, no problem. Just the file name. File name is first check. File is present. So with the help of gcc 001.c compiling a/a a dot out two numbers added. Few comes like this, just plus slash, no problem. Okay, and another way is you can skip this one. You can skip this total statement and just write num1 plus num2. Compiler still compiles this program also. Okay, now I'm going to write the same program to find average of three numbers. For this I'm creating another variable, and guys, I'm going to ask a simple question. This is correct? This statement is correct? I say no. Why? Means it won't give a correct output, because this division operator goes more precedence. So it will first execute, then addition. So how we can able to overcome this? By putting parentheses. So with the help of parentheses we can able to give more persistence for output. So to check how to check the persistence of so let's create a new line. Let's type something, and with the help of man command, man operator, you can check this is the manual of operator. You can check which operators have more persistence than next. So here parentheses have more persistence than addition. So if you want to get quit from it, just press Q, minimize it. So now we can able to execute this program again. gcc 001.c /a.out, enter in three numbers 2. But guys, just see, is this correct? 3 plus 4 7 plus 5 13 divided by 3 is 2. Is this correct? Just think about it. 7 plus 5 12. Is this correct one? Sorry, made a mistake here. Now I find a way I'm getting the gcc 01.c. Sorry, come on, and num3. sorry. Do you think this is correct? I say no. Why no? Because 4.1? No. It needs to go like 4.33. 13 divided by 3 is 4? No. So we can able to overcome this with the help of typecasting. Typecasting is used to change the variable name at this line only, at this statement only. This time only this variable will be changed. Just check now. But this will resolve the problem? No. Look. Warning occurs, but no problem. Can type in think 5. No. So here we can use G. Now it will run. No problem arise. 4.33. So this is now correct. So in float, the implicity and explicity. Implicity is nothing but typecasting by ourselves. Implicity is typecasting by the system itself. Explicity means typecasting by the user or programmer. In implicity, there are two types. Promotion, demotion. What is promotion means there is a hierarchical order: float, double float, int, char. So char is greater, int is greater than char, float is greater than int, and double is greater than int. So here float, right? So here automatically the compiler itself convert this 3 into float. So this is how we can able to change this. Decomposition means nothing but reverse, vice versa, low to high. Promotion is where mostly you can see. Depromotion only if is example. Char float n is equal to 4.55. Now this will get depromoted as integer n. Now it's okay. Later we can discuss this. Thank you.